Miller's Outpost was once a trendy fashion retailer that captivated shoppers with its popular clothing lines. However, faced with fierce competition, the brand struggled to maintain its foothold in the market, ultimately leading to its closure in 2007. Ames, a once prominent discount retailer, thrived with over 700 locations at its peak. Unfortunately, it succumbed to bankruptcy in 2002 due to intensified competition and inadequate financial management. Service Merchandise adopted a catalog showroom model that gained traction in the 1970s. Yet, the rise of big box retailers eventually contributed to its bankruptcy in 2002, marking a significant shift in retail dynamics. Zehr, formerly a beloved discount store chain, encountered financial challenges during the 1980s. This led to its sale and the ultimate closure of all its locations by 1990, signaling the end of a cherished shopping destination. Bradley's, another cherished retailer, provided a wide range of affordable products. However, it shut its doors in 2001, unable to withstand mounting competition and financial strain, reminiscent of the rise of Walmart and Target. E.J. Corvette distinguished itself as one of the original discount stores, offering diverse products at competitive prices. However, mismanagement and growing competition led to its closure by 1980, epitomizing the challenges within the retail sector. A&P once dominated the grocery landscape, operating over 16,000 stores at its zenith. However, the advent of discount retailers and megastores shifted consumer preferences, contributing to A&P's eventual decline. Core, established in 1951, saw its sales dwindle amidst stiff competition. This decline resulted in its bankruptcy in 1999, highlighting the significant hurdles facing traditional brick-and-mortar retailers. Linen & Things, a favored home goods retailer, thrived until 2008 when it began to falter against online competitors and established brands like Bed Bath & Beyond, resulting in its bankruptcy and the closure of stores. Gold Circle, which emerged in the 1960s, quickly became a shopping staple in the Midwest and Northeast. However, it closed its doors in 1988 after being acquired by Federated Department Stores. Hills, launched in 1957, became a go-to destination for budget-conscious shoppers. Unfortunately, the store faced bankruptcy in 1999 due to changes in ownership and shifting consumer preferences. Faze Drug, a beloved retail fixture in the Northeast since 1958, offered an array of everyday products. Its acquisition by J.C. Penney in 1997 ultimately led to its closure, leaving a nostalgic gap in the community. LCHM, founded in 1913, was known for its wide selection and customer-centric shopping experience, boasting around 27 locations at its peak. However, it succumbed to fierce competition and financial challenges, closing in 1997. W.T. Grant, once a towering name in retail, peaked with over 1,200 stores before falling victim to financial mismanagement and intense competition, resulting in bankruptcy filing in 1976. Western Auto became synonymous with car-related products but faced declining sales by 2003, prompting its closure. The absence of this retailer was acutely felt in numerous communities. Pick and Save emerged as a budget-friendly option in the late 1970s, gaining popularity for its convenience. At its height, it operated around 100 stores across the United States. However, the acquisition of Pick and Save by Big Lots in 1998 marked the beginning of a gradual decline, culminating in the complete phase out of the original stores by the end of that year. The story of these retailers illustrates a broader evolution in the retail landscape, showcasing the challenges faced by even the most popular establishments in adapting to changing market dynamics.